Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find new tokens on Uniswap. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Uniswap, and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now, let's see guys, what we have in front of us here. So first you need to go and connect your wallet to Uniswap to be able to do anything. So go to the top right corner and click on here, and you will have the option to connect. Of course, we have a separate video on this topic. If you have the time and you need to do that, you can go and check out the video there. In the top left corner, we have the trade, explore, and pool. And we have search tokens and swap anytime, anywhere. Here you can go and swap your tokens. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and find new tokens on Uniswap. So first of all, go to Uniswap and connect your wallet as I told you in the start of the video. And then click on the search bar at the top of the Uniswap interface. So we have it here, as you can see. Then you can search for tokens by name or their contact address. Simply type in the token name or paste the contact address into the search bar. So for instance, we want to go and find the, just a second, the Monkas coin. We can go and type in and you'll have them here. As you can see, a lot of coins here. Then search results will show the token you're looking for. You can select it, proceed with the transaction. The way you can easily discover and trade new tokens that might not be listed in the default drop-down menu. So this is the way you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.